Hello everyone, I am Riyaz from MBA second semester. Today I am here to give a brief detail about Johari window under the guidance of Professor Ritika C. Ma'am. So the very firstly, let me start with what is Johari window. The Johari window is a psychological and communication model developed by Joseph Luke Harrington Ingham in the year 1955 to improve self-awareness, interpersonal relationship and teamwork within the organization. So the word comes from combining the first name of its creator, that is Joseph and Harrington. So this model is represented through four quadrants, which explains information about a person that is known and unknown to the person and to others. So the first quadrant is the open area, which includes information that is known to the individual and to the others, including the skills, knowledge, and abilities and attitudes. So large open area usually leads to better communication and trust within the organization. So thus moving towards to the second quadrant, that is blind area, that contains qualities and habits that others can see but the individual is unaware about certain abilities and weaknesses present in themselves. So the third quadrant is the hidden area, which includes personal feelings, secrets, stress and anxiety that are known to oneself but do not share with others. And the fourth and the last quadrant is the unknown area, which includes talents and abilities that are unknown to the individual and to the others. It can be discovered through various opportunities. So let's understand the Johari window through the story of Ishan Awasthi in the movie Tare Zameen Par. So these four models explains the Ishan talents, abilities and relationship with others. So now we are having some clips related to these four models from the Johari window. So let's understand the first model, that is open area. So
खुल गया आसमां का रास्ता देखो खुल गया मिल गया खो गया था जो से तारा मिल गया रोशन हुई सारी जमीन जगमग हुआ सारा जहां उड़ने को तू आजाद है बंधन कोई अब है कहाँ धूप है झम से बिखर तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं.
So this video represents the first area, that is open area. In this thing, Ishan and others know certain things about him, but his parents and his teacher can see that Ishan is weak in studies. However, Ishan enjoys painting and creativity. His art talent becomes visible in the school competition after his teacher Ram Shankar Nikum, that is Amir Khan, recognizes his abilities. And so hereby everyone understands that Ishan is God gifted in art. So let's understand the second area, that is blind area, towards this clip.
The film advocates for an education system that is flexible enough to cater to the individual needs of each child. Rather than a standardized approach, education should consider the talents and needs of each student. Role of teachers. It shows that teachers are not just conveyors of information, but also guides who help their students discover and develop their talents. Importance of family support. It highlights the crucial role of families in their children's education process. The love and support of the family significantly contribute to.
So this video represents that things that other knows and understand about Ishan, but he does not fully understand himself. Before meeting Nikum sir, he does not realize that he is suffering from dyslexia, that is a learning difficulty that makes learning and writing difficult for Ishan. So let's understand the third area, that is hidden area, throughout this clip.
Highlights in Bollywood films. Let's look at the scene from Tare Zameen Par where Amir Khan explains dyslexia.
ये देखिए, ये ये बी की जगह डी तो डी की जगह बी, एक जैसे दिखने वाले अक्षरों के बीच में कंफ्यूजन। और ये एस और यार उल्टा लिखा है, बल्कि कई सारे अक्षर उल्टे लिखे हैं। ये देखिए, ये छोटा एच छोटा टी, देखा? मिरर इमेज। एनिमल एनिमल एनिमल, एक ही पेज पे 3 अलग अलग स्पेलिंग। इसका मतलब कोई एक वाला स्पेलिंग उसे याद है ऐसा नहीं। क्यों करते हो ऐसा? बेवकूफ है, आलसी है ना। मेरी समझ से उसे अक्षर पहचानने में दिक्कत हो रही है। इस पढ़ने लिखने की तकलीफ को डिसलेक्सिया कहते हैं।
So, this video represents that during this conversation, Ram Nikum, that is his art teacher, explains his parents that Ishan is not careless, not unintelligent, but he is suffering from a disease named dyslexia. This makes him difficulty in reading and writing. Nikum points out that he is suffering from confusing the letters, and always he mixes up the letters while he is writing or reading something. So let's understand the fourth and the last quadrant, that is unknown area, throughout this clip.
और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई, जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई।
So this video contains talents and abilities unknown to both to the Ishan and to the others. At first, nobody realizes the depth of the Ishan creativity. After the support from his teacher, his art talent becomes emerged during the art competition and revealing his real talent. So, thus Tare Zameen Par movie how beautifully shows that how understanding the feedback, emotional support and self-awareness to the person help to grow in its open area and reduces the blind area and unknown area. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this video insightful and motivational and you will implement in your real life. Thank you so much.